Hey everyone, welcome back to TaxTron Web tutorial video series. In our last video, we cover all the important details about Canada Worker Benefit, CWB, including eligibility and income limit. If you haven't watched that video yet, no worries, you can find the link to that video right in the description below. So feel free to check it out first and then come back to join us there for the next step. Today we are taking things a step further where we are going to see how RC210 slip impact you if you are married or in common law relationship. The RC210 is linked to the Canada Worker Benefit, a refundable tax credit meant to support low-income workers. But when you are married or in common law relationship, things work a bit differently, and that's what we will focus on today. So stick around for an example at the end to see how it plays in real life. First, let's break it down the basics. What RC210 is. The RC210 slip shows how much you or your spouse or common law partner received in advance Canada Worker Benefit. The CWB is designed to provide a financial relief to low-income earners and has two parts, the basic amount and the disability supplement. Why does it matter if you're a married or in common law relationship? If you're a married or in common law relationship, only one person can claim the basic CWB. However, if one of you is eligible for the disability supplement, you both can claim that. This is where the RC210 slips comes in. It indicates who received the advance payment for the CWB, but even if you or your spouse received the payment, it doesn't mean you automatically qualify for the CWB. How does the RC210 affect your tax return? When completing your tax return, you must complete Schedule 6, the Canada Worker Benefit. This step helps the CRA to adjust the amount you are entitled to based on your family working income, the net family income. The catch is that if your family income exceeds the certain threshold, you may not qualify for the CWB anymore. However, the income tax compares how much CWB advance you receive with the amount of CWB you are actually entitled to for the year based on the income and other eligible factors. If your income or other factors change during the year, for example, higher income, and you are no longer qualify for the CWB as originally expected, the excess amount paid to you needs to be repaid. This gets added to your net federal tax, increasing your tax owed. Now let's look at an example to make it clear. In this example, John and Mary are married couple, both worked and earned income in 2023, but John received $500 in advance Canada Worker Benefit, which is recorded on his RC210 slip. They needed to report this amount when they file their taxes. So let's start by logging into the TaxTron Web account. After logging in, head over to the T1 clients and open an existing tax return. You can create a new return for this specific client, but we are opening an existing return. Make sure the personal information section under identification is complete and accurate. Make sure to select the marital status as married and answer yes to the question, do you want to prepare your tax return together? And click next. Complete the marriage personal information. Make sure it is 100% right and accurate. After that, move to the income tab from the left-hand navigation bar and go to the John profile and answer yes to the question, do you work in 2023, and select the icon with T4. When you scroll down, you will find another question, did you receive any other type of income? Select yes and select the icon RC210. Then move on to the marriage profile. Select the question, did you work in 2023? Repeat the same process and click next. For Mary, we are not clicking on RC210 form because she didn't receive it. We are having an example with the person who received. So in this example, only John received the RC210 slip. So let's complete the T4 with the income of 30,000 for box 14 and the income tax deducted is 2,000. Complete the rest of the T4 as shown in the video. Click Next and enter 500 in the box 10 for RC210 slip. Now let's complete the T4 for Mary. Enter 5,000 in box 14 and complete the rest of the information as shown in the video. After completing, move next. To verify this information, go to the Review and File, go to the John Review and File section, and print the record keeping form to see the detailed breakdown of RC210 form. Scroll down to the T1 journal line 41500. As you can see, under 41500, $500 is listed for the Advanced Canada Worker Benefit CWB. This amount will added to your net federal tax payable as it has already been paid to you in advance. Based on your previous year, the CWB, usually the same or an approximation on your current tax return. The CRA will calculate your Canada Worker Benefit based on your current year taxable income. You can check the Schedule 6 Canada Worker Benefit for the detailed breakdown. Well, that's all for today. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for the future notifications. See you soon in the next video. Thank you for watching.